Okay, I just wanted to show you where you can find the things you might need in the course. For the first thing I want to do is click here. Make sure you know this is where the syllabus and the course calendar are. And then if you click home and you click student resources, this is where you'll find our textbook. So you can click on that and it would take you out to our textbook. And here it is. It's online and you can have it in PDF form. So I'm going to go back to our course homepage because I also want to show you a few other things that will be very helpful. I'm just going to go into Module 1 and I'm just going to go down to, say, this part of Module 1 called Sampling Techniques. And when we get to that page, I wanted to show you two things. The first thing that you'll note is all the PowerPoints and notes for these videos that are shown below. These videos are using PowerPoints, and these links will take you to the actual PowerPoints so that you can have those for notes. So if I were to click this, then it is taking you to the PowerPoint that video is based on. So I wanted to make sure you saw that. And then the other thing I wanted to make sure that I showed you, so at Module 1 and in every module, if you'll go to the very end, you will see transcripts and video links. So if you'll click on that, that will give you a written transcript for each of the videos if you need those in written format, as well as anything else you might need. So for instance, if I come down to sampling techniques, here's the video and here is the written transcript for that. I would click save to my desktop, and when I open that up, then I would, it won't open for me right now, but when I open that up, that is the entire video. There it is written out in case you need that in written form. So that's all for now.